Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. This is a place to relax.
You do not need a pen, you do not need a notebook, you just need your ears.
Just listen. We speak slowly, we use simple words, and you will understand.
Adam, you say relax, but you do not look relaxed today.
I am not relaxed, Sarah. I am stressed.
Stressed? Why? Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. I am healthy, the weather is nice, but my brain is not working today.
Your brain? What happened?
I had a terrible morning. A very bad morning.
Oh no. Tell me, what happened?
It started with coffee.
Coffee is usually a good thing.
Usually, yes. I went to my favorite coffee shop. I was happy. I smelled the coffee.
Okay, that sounds nice.
The barista asked, "What do you want?"
And you ordered your black coffee?
Yes, one large black coffee, please.
Simple.
The barista made the coffee. He gave it to me. It was hot. It was perfect. Then he said, "That'll be $5."
Okay, $5.
I reached into my pocket, my back pocket, to get my wallet.
And?
It was empty.
Oh no.
I checked my other pocket. Empty. I checked my jacket pocket. Empty.
Adam, did you forget your wallet?
I forgot my wallet.
Oh, that is the worst feeling.
It was terrible. There was a line of people behind me. They were waiting. The barista was waiting.
What did you do?
I froze. My face became very hot. I turned red.
You were embarrassed.
Embarrassed is a small word. I was mortified. I wanted to disappear.
So, did you get the coffee?
No, I had to say, "I'm so sorry. I forgot my money." And I walked away without coffee.
Oh, poor Adam. Walking away with no coffee. That is a sad story.
It is sad. I felt stupid. How can I forget my wallet? It's important.
It happens, Adam. We all forget things.
Do you forget things, Sarah? You seem very organized.
I try to be organized, but yes, I forget things too. Last week, I forgot my umbrella.
Was it raining?
Yes, it was pouring rain. I walked outside and suddenly, splash, I was wet.
See, forgetting is dangerous. It leaves you wet or without coffee.
Why do you think you forgot your wallet? Were you rushing?
Yes, I was in a hurry. I woke up late again.
The night owl problem.
Exactly. I was running around my house. Where are my shoes? Where is my coat? I grabbed my keys, but I did not grab my wallet.
You need a system, Adam, a routine.
A system? Like what?
I have a checklist. Before I leave my house, I say 3 words.
3 words?
Yes, I touch my bag, I check for my phone, I check for my wallet, I check for my keys, then I open the door.
That's smart. And I just open the door and hope for the best.
Hope is not a strategy, Adam.
You're right. Phone, wallet, keys. I need to remember that.
It's called the triple check.
The triple check. I like it.
Also, do you put your wallet in the same place every day?
No. Sometimes it's on the table, sometimes on the shelf, sometimes in my pants from yesterday. By the way, friends, if you sometimes forget things too, please click the like button. It makes me feel less alone. Thank you. So, Sarah, my problem is that I'm disorganized.
A little bit. If you put your wallet in the same bowl by the door every single day, you will not lose it.
A bowl by the door. That's a good idea. A home for my wallet.
Exactly. But, Adam, forgetting objects is okay. Wallets, keys, umbrellas, these are just things.
True, I can go back and get them. But forgetting people or promises, that's worse.
What do you mean?
Like forgetting a birthday. Did you ever forget a birthday?
Oh no, do not ask me that.
You did? I forgot my mother's birthday.
Adam, that's terrible.
I know. I'm a bad son.
What happened? Did she call you?
She waited all day. She waited for my call. Finally, at 10 p.m., she called me.
And what did she say?
She said, Adam, do you know what day it is?
Oh, that question. That is a dangerous question.
My blood went cold. I looked at the calendar and I screamed, Happy birthday, Mum!
Was she angry?
No, she was sad. That's worse. Anger is okay. Sadness is painful.
You're right. When we forget, we hurt people's feelings. It says, you are not important to me.
But that's not true. She is important. I just forgot. My brain is like a sieve.
A sieve?
You know, the tool for cooking, with many holes. Water goes in and water goes out. Information goes in, my brain and information falls out.
That's a funny picture. But you fixed it with your mom?
Yes, I sent her huge flowers the next day, and I apologized 100 times.
Good. Apologizing is important. If you forget, you must say, I am sorry. No excuses.
Yes, I learned my lesson. Now her birthday is in my phone calendar with 5 alarms.
Technology helps. Our brains are busy. We have work, family, news. It's too much to remember everything.
So we use tools, lists, alarms, notes.
I use sticky notes, yellow notes. I put them on my mirror.
On your mirror?
Yes, so when I brush my teeth, I see the note. Call the doctor or buy milk.
That's impossible to miss.
Exactly. You can't ignore your bathroom mirror.
I need to do that. Maybe I'll put a note on my door. Do you have your wallet?
Yes, do it today.
I will. I promise.
Speaking of promises,
Yes?
Adam, do you remember our conversation last week?
Last week, we talked about many things.
We talked about books.
Yes, books. I like books.
And you said, Sarah, I have a great book for you. I will bring it next time.
The blue book? The history book?
Yes, that one. You said, I will bring it to the studio.
Oh, no.
You forgot?
Sarah, I am so sorry.
It's okay.
No, it is not okay. We just talked about this. Forgetting promises is bad.
It is ironic.
It is very ironic. I came here to talk about forgetting, and I forgot the book.
Is the book at home?
Yes, it's on my table, right next to my wallet.
Oh, so your wallet and the book are having a party together at your house.
Yes, they're safe, but I'm here without them.
Adam, don't worry. You can bring it next time.
I feel terrible. I want to be reliable.
Reliable. That's a good word.
Reliable means you do what you say. If you say, I will bring the book, you bring the book. People can trust you.
You're reliable, Adam. Usually. Today's just an off day.
An off day, yes, a day when nothing works correctly.
We all have off days. Be kind to yourself.
Thank you, Sarah. You are very patient.
So, what is the plan? How will you remember the book next time?
Okay, I'm taking out my phone right now.
Good.
I'm opening my Reminders app. I'm typing Bring Book for Sarah.
Set an alarm too.
Alarm set for Tuesday morning at 8 a.m.
Perfect. Now you will not forget.
I will remember.
Memory is a muscle, Adam. You have to exercise it.
How do I exercise my memory?
Pay attention. Stop rushing. When you put your keys down, look at them. Say, I am putting my keys on the table.
Say it out loud?
Yes, when you speak, your brain listens better.
Okay, I will try it. I am putting the book in my bag.
Exactly. Being present helps memory.
Being present. Not thinking about tomorrow, not thinking about yesterday, just thinking about now.
Yes, that is the secret.
Well, right now I am thinking about coffee.
Still?
I never had my morning coffee. Remember? I walked away.
Oh, that is right. You have 0 caffeine in your body.
0. That is why my brain is slow.
Well, the episode is almost finished. I think I can buy you a coffee.
Now coffee time. Finally.
But do you have your wallet?
No!
It's okay. I have mine. I checked my bag. Phone, wallet, keys.
Show off.
Come on, let's go.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to my sad story.
We hope you learned some English from Adam's bad day.
Don't forget to practice these words.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Ah, good reminder. See you next time, friends.
Thank you for listening to Snack English.